In my last video, I showed you my journey to see the red squirrels on Brownsea Island in Paul Harbour, Dorset. And in this video, I'm going to show you some of the birds I saw on Brownsea Island. There are 4 hides marked on the Brownsea Island map: the avocet hide and the tern hide, both of which look over the lagoon, and also the reed hide and the lake hide. I was only on the island for a few hours and spent most of my time with the red squirrels, but I did check out 2 of the hides whilst there. I first visited the tern hide, where there was a good view of many black-headed gulls. I then moved on to the avocet hide, where I did indeed see some pied avocets. I've not seen an avocet before, so it was great to observe their behaviour, especially how they feed using a sweeping motion of their upturned bill through shallow water. I also saw a redshank with its distinctive orange-red legs. It was a busy lagoon with a lot of bird activity and sounds, and I'm looking forward to visiting Brownsea again and spending longer in the hides. Please do consider supporting my channel by subscribing and liking this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.